want to connect get response, the autoresponder, we're going to show you how. There's really no need to because we give you an autoresponder that's unlimited. Unlimited contacts, unlimited sending, so you get a lot more for your money here. We don't charge you for the amount of contacts that you have. You actually get unlimited. But that being said, you want to add get response, here's how you do it. Click on Contact Manager tab. At the top where it says Import Contacts, it'll say Get Response API. Again, you want to use their autoresponder instead. You will need to get an authorization code from Get Response. You will be asked to log in your Get Response account. Get authorization code. I'm already logged in my account. So it just takes me right here. Generate API key. You can name it, maybe I'll name it TCP so I would know what it is. Generate. Gives me a code here. I hit copy the code. I come back over here. I paste that code in. Hit activate get response. It says it's invalid for some reason. Well, then it says your get response code account is integrated. So it obviously integrated it. You go to create your own pages. Typically, if you want to add our autoresponder, you could do a mail campaign. You could actually add them both if you want. You would choose what mail campaign for our autoresponder, so wherever you want the form to go or what message series they get. But if you've got to get response, you'll see this little box down here, and it should come up with every one of your lists that you have. Now, I haven't really made any lists yet, but once you create lists, it'll have your entire list here, and then you can say, when they fill out a form, I want them to go to XYZ list that I created and get response, and then save your page. And then when they fill in the form, your get response will take over and start to send them messages. And that's how you add get response to the Conversion Pros.